Good morning students. In our previous video we have completed the topic continents and oceans. So there are 4 oceans in the world. First one the Pacific Ocean, second one the Atlantic Ocean, third one the Indian Ocean, and the fourth one is the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Likewise, there are 7 continents on the earth. First one is Asia, second is Africa, third one is Europe, fourth one North America, fifth one is South America, sixth one is Antarctica, and the seventh one is Australia. And in that 7, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent, and India lies in Asia. Now we will see our next topic, that is directions. Right? We will see the directions. So all maps follow the 4 main directions. Can you tell me which are the 4 main directions? North, south, east and west. These are the 4 main directions which were universally accepted. Means all the countries in the world use this system to find any direction on the map. These 4 directions: north, south, east and west. These are the 4 main directions. The top part of the map is north. This is the top part. The top part is the north. The bottom part is known as south. Towards our right side it is east, and towards our left it is the west. So these are the 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. These directions help to locate places on the map. What is the uses of these directions? These directions are very helpful to locate the places on the map. मैप में किसी भी प्लेस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए या लोकेट करने के लिए डायरेक्शंस का यूज होता है. Now see the compass. The compass is like a watch, right? This is a compass and this looks like a watch. Have you seen the watch? Watch is round, means in circular in shape, and this compass is also circular in shape. That's why it looks like a watch. It has a needle which always points to the north direction. This is known as needle. The compass has needle which always points to the north direction. कंपास में निडल होती है, जैसे वॉच में निडल होती है, उसी तरीके से ही कंपास में निडल होती है जिसका पॉइंट हमेशा अपवर्ड नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन की तरफ रहता है. द कंपास हेल्प्स टू नो द डायरेक्शन ऑन द मैप. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस कंपास? We can know the direction, or we can find out the directions on the map with the help of this compass. A compass is used to find the directions on the map. So this is the last topic of our second lesson. So here we have completed the lesson, and in this lesson we have seen globe, a model of the earth, map, a drawing of the whole or a part of the earth on a flat surface, and the third one is atlas, a book of maps. Atlas means Atlas is a book where numbers of maps are bound together in a single book that is known as the atlas. And we have seen the types of maps: the small maps which we can easily carry with ourselves while doing anything or while traveling to find out any location or place, and the big maps, or known as the wall maps, which we can hang on the wall. That is why that known as the wall maps. Next, continents and about the oceans, and last we have seen directions. There are 4 main directions which were universally accepted in the world: north, south, east and west. And the last we have seen about the compass. A compass is used to find the directions on the map, and it has a needle like watch, and it is always pointed towards the north direction, means in the upward direction, and it is used to know the directions on the map. So here we have completed our second lesson, and the dictation words and the objective questions I will send you in your WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a good day.